Okay, as I mentioned in one of my past videos, Dehancher does actually have an app available for the iPad and the iPhone. I'm using an iPad M1 right now, and what you're looking at right now are some videos and pictures that I have. Because once you open the app, it prompts you to install profiles, just like the other plugins. If you want examples of those, there will actually be in the description below links to both of the videos I did on the one for Final Cut Pro, as well as, it works on DaVinci Resolve, as well as the one for Photoshop, which also works for Lightroom. So for the purpose of this, we are going to select this. It's actually a video file. It works with pictures too. I just figured since we're on the iPad, I would use video. The different sections here to save, the different categories. The categories look like different presets and whatnot. And you can literally just go up and down, select what you want. Let's select this. I don't know why I always go with the black and white kind of codec preset, but I do. Let's check out a few more. And then, just check out the presets you want. You can save it, you can share it. If we want to go back to the original, let's just go back to the original. And just to show you guys that this does work on photos as well, I have loaded a photo. Now, this photo is of a thumbnail for one of my other channels, but that's beside the point. We can still apply whatever filters we need to apply here. And then we can save. When we're saved, we can export. All the details will be in the link in the description below. If you do decide to pick this up, definitely feel free to check out details in the description below for everything. And hopefully you found this helpful in some way, shape, or form, because honestly, this seems like a pretty simple interface to handle, not too complicated at all. Even someone with not very much experience could figure it out with pretty ease, very ease actually. And then we have edit here. We can edit more details, like say we don't want it fully there, or we want to change the color density after the fact. We can just do that. We have so many options here. So you don't have to stick with just the presets, but the presets are your easy, basic options. But I'm going to actually end up here. Let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below, because the app could be very useful if you're not near a desktop. I can see it being useful. But yeah, let me know your thoughts, comment section below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.